Yeah, we are from Team 10. We are here to discuss about smart lighting meeting projects. We are come with a project and we are from I am Maheshwar.
Myself, Blessy 04H9.
Myself, Rainer.
Myself, Nikhil Prasad, 04G4.
We are come with a problem stating that in this present generation, the current is utmost important for that, and we are wasting the electricity. In this present busy schedule, we are from when we are leaving the house, we are forgetting to off the lights. For that reason, there is a loss of electricity. For that reason, we are come with a solution that when the person will leaving the room, the lights will automatically off, and we can save the electricity, and we are
The components required from the project is Arduino UNO, IR sensor and 5 volt relay and AC bulb and sockets. The main purpose of Arduino is it will be used for both hardware and software. It is open electronic platform, and 5 volt relay is converted into high electric signals into low electric signals. IR sensor is used for the motion detect. Whenever the person walks in the room, it will be detect the motion and it will be bulb will be automatically go on. And whenever the person go out, the bulb will be off.
The existing solutions of the project is occupancy sensor. The occupancy sensor also detect the motion. When occupancy sensor have a expensive, that we are using the IR sensor. And one more existing solution is the time delay functionality. It will be take more time. That's why we are using IR sensor.
will take our
Issues when normal bulbs are user need to physical turn off the switch on and off, which can inconvenient, especially in multiple large or multiple rooms. Normal bulbs consume more electricity continuously when turned on, regardless of where there is anyone in the room or not, leading to higher energy bills. For these issues, we came with a solution that automatic bulb. When a person want to use the room, when the person enters the room, the light automatically on. This is because of IR sensor. The IR sensor detects the motion of the body and gets on. And when person leaves the room, it automatically off. By this, most electricity can be saved.
There are many existing solutions like occupancy sensors, automatic lighting controller, time delay functionality. In the existing solution,
The main motto of the electricity bills are high, so we are doing that project. And we designed this project for not only the electricity bills high, we do not use the power consumption. That's why we came with this project, and we will explain the connections of the Arduino. IR sensor ground pin will be connected to Arduino ground, and IR sensor IN pin is connected to 12, and IR sensor 5 volts pin connected to Arduino board 5 volts, and the 5 volts relay is connected to 5 volts of the Arduino, and IN of the relay is connected to IN of the Arduino board, and ground of the relay is connected to ground. And
from this project we are saving the electricity and the power consumption is less.